And I'll open one up and you can see there's this pretty large seed inside. So you can take that out. And then all of this flesh is edible. This one's not super ripe yet. If they're really ripe, they're kind of squishy. This one has more of a texture of like, kind of like a not super ripe mango, I guess. I don't know how else I would describe it. Really delicious. Kind of hints of mango, hints of banana. Really delicious. They have like hints of mango, banana. Some people describe them as having kind of bubble gum like qualities. I guess I can see that if you've ever had the gum juicy fruit. I don't even know if they still make it. It was like yellow. I remember my dad always had it in his truck and it was like warm and we ate it. Really delicious though. Sweet. When it's ripe, it's sweet. When it's not ripe, is when you use it in like savory dishes. So people will use it shredded, kind of like to mimic the texture of like shredded chicken or shredded pork, something like that. Really good.